So I'm gonna make a little farm tour. So this is the door for the volunteer house. And this is the guest toilet. Here are our mini garden with some flowers. And this is a garlic that started to grow in my kitchen, so I was putting it in the mini garden. And it has grown a lot. Here is a lot of weed I have to and here is the garbage room, or whatever room we put our garbage, and it's echo. Oh. Okay, very funny. The equipment room, where the clients are borrowing stuff if they need, like boots, shoes, pants, chaps, hats, caps, helmets, gloves, rain jackets, ponchos, fanny pack. And there we have saddle bags that we use on the ride, first aid kit things, and yeah, other extra stuff. And there we have Soleil. Here is the food room, where we have food, vitamins, a lot of different wires and different things, and more things that we use when we're at the field. Things. Here is our cleaning blanket station. And here's also a pasture. And in the over there, the little thingy, it's our new shit hole house, fire station. I don't know if it. And here on this side is where there's a hole on the crater wall, so it's possible to ride out that way, which we do. We have a couple of different tours. There we do that direction. Sleigh is following me. I can't really see anything. I have to go further if I'm going to show her, and I'm too lazy to do it. Yeah, anyway. Come. Yeah, there is a hole over there, and like a ravine thingy. So this is the end of the crater. There's Soleil. Oh. And there we have some bamboo. I don't know if you can see it. Over there, that you don't really see in this camera, is a camping place and a man-made lake, because we don't have a lake in this crater because of the hole I just showed you. But there's a man who has made his own lake. There we have some buckets that I have been using when I was feeding the horses this morning. Here's the car parking spot. There is like the main field. It's more or less the only field that has a big water spot, which you may maybe see. There is the round pen where we train the horses. There is the horses right now. happy eating grass and farts and shit and pee and do whatever they do. They're not graceful at all. Here is mountain papaya that we have here. I don't know if you have any. Yeah, here we have some. They're supposed to be yellow. I think this one, no, maybe not. Yeah, most of them molds before I find them. They're very tasty. Here we have a lemon tree. So we have some lemon. I already have quite a lot of lemon in the house, so maybe not pick any today. There we have an avocado tree. I don't know if you see any. Whoa, Jesus, there was a hole there. Ah. Here we have another avocado tree. Yummy, yummy. And there we have another avocado tree, and then we have a couple of more down there. But I don't have energy to walk it down. There we have Soleil following me. Poppy choppy. Oh, there is our compost. Very interesting. Very, 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 very interesting. Bum ba dum. So there we have the horses. Bum ba dum. Here is the saddle square thingy area. Here is this very clever, funny closings. Did you like this? Ba-dum. Very clever. So here we all have the horses, and they all have their spots. And then some of them are at the tree here. This is we call it the shoe field, because you always put the horses there when they're about to shoe. This is the saddle house. This is the shoeing area where we shoe the horses, not that special. So this is the saddle room. Here we have some salt, brushes, sugar cubes that they always get after the ride. Here's all the saddles. There we have some blankets, the drying. Pippin just got a new blanket. Luxury. Here we have the riding machete. More saddles. And the medicine locker. Yeah, that's more or less it. Pop-a-doo.